Hey guys, we're at Popeyes. Erica and Sherelle. Let me see. Yeah. Anyway, I wanted to try the new Megan Thee Stallion chicken sandwich. So it's right here. I really good. Erica's tried it too. How are the nuggets, Steven?
Good.
Damn. How was it, Erica?
Very good. That's what I was asking you if they make one of these in New Granbury because it's pretty good.
I thought they had one in Granbury. Oh, that's the type same thing about. I mean, the sauce is so good.
I don't know for sure yet. You told me that
Still talking to her mom?
Yeah, he's still talking to Genesis mom.
No, it's not chappy.
Yo, the sauce is so good.
They want to see if I'm going to spend at his house. No, I don't know for sure yet.
This is so good, y'all. Damn. This sauce is so good, y'all. I love it so much. And it's not that spicy like I would think it would be. How was your nuggets with the buffalo sauce? Damn, Erica, you started without making a Stallion chicken sandwich down.
I'm sorry, it's because I didn't mean just when I taste something new that is good, I chug it down so quick instead of slowing myself down to eat it. Yeah. I just chugged that damn thing down like if it was nothing more.
You chugged it down, girl.
I know.
It's good.
But this is gonna be good for a 5 or 6 a night.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I can't believe you didn't want a chicken sandwich, Steven.
I'll see this one later.
Not a big fan of chicken sandwich.
I love chicken sandwich. Oh my god.
I gotta get more for a chicken sandwich.
Skinny. Yep, these two ones I'm so.
If you don't drop one.
Oh shit. Okay, these two I'm so gonna keep. The sauce is so good.
it like spicy? Is
Mm-hmm.
that one that they use to make that sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's not spicy. It's
No, it's
definitely-
not. That's why people spicy.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I like it a lot.
Look at you, aren't you popular, Steven?
No. Not internet.
Is it Janice? Oh shit. Excuse me, Erica. You need to control your friend.
I haven't been talking to her because remember I don't have my phone. I could have talked to her to tell her, hey, I was gonna be off this whole week. You want me to go hang out with you?
Damn.
Oh, they
Why
gave
you
you
blowing up your
biscuits to
phone?
give you this time?
She don't want to get me out of her life. But it's gonna have to.
Good. Oh, she's virgin. Steven, can you give me some more Coke? Wait a minute, who the fuck's mashed potatoes is this?
I'll
I
give
only
you.
got one side.
Who the fuck? Did you get mashed potatoes, Steven?
I think it came with your combo.
Our combo is supposed to have fries and mashed potatoes.
That is mashed potatoes.
Yeah, they put gravy on that.
Yeah, I was like, what the hell? Yeah, that was some good shit.
You can just go eat around it. You don't have to eat the gravy part.
Excuse me. Oh shit. Feel like moved. The bench. So Erica, how would you rate the chicken sandwich?
9.
Why would you not give it a 10?
Make it a 10?
Why would you not give it a 10?
Because I was hoping it would be much hotter and spicy.
I know
It was still good.
that was like white people spicy. Like that shit is not that spicy.
But it was nice. It was 9. It's a good.
Thank you, old man. Oh, excuse me. And you eating chicken on the bone. Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Chicken on the bone is good.
It's a matter of opinion. So what? She trying to get back with you or something?
No, she wants to get it that one.
She needs to get through her head that y'all are done. Like, damn, I have to hurry. Excuse me. Nuggy. Hold on.
I don't want to.
I'm sweet.
Yeah, I don't believe that.
I'm sweet. My Erica, I'm sweet.
Just like that. Chilito.
Chaluta.
Chilito.
Chalito.
And chile.
What the fuck is a chalita?
Chilito. Once I tried to repeat it so many times
What
that
the
it
fuck
sounds
is a chalupa?
way
Chalita?
chilito.
Chaliho.
Okay, whatever. Just drop it. Just drop it.
Excuse me. Chalupa. What, is she trying to get you to hang out with her nasty ass tonight? Ew. Yeah, I was gonna try to get Sherelle and Steven to try it with me, Erica, but they didn't want to try it, so they wanted to get other shit. Y'all think I need to get a haircut?
Yes. Or you can let it grow out longer to your neck or to your shoulders.
I don't know. Alright guys, well this is the end of the mukbang. Any last words, Erica, Sherelle?
See ya.
Steven?
Weekend.
No.
Alright, love you, peace.